So welcome guys to our weekly GBPUSD trade review for all the setups and trades and ideas we had for this week. Now, first of all, I would like to thank you guys. We have reached our 500 members in our Telegram. I've reached 500 members in our Telegram chat group. So, as promised, we shall be launching a channel that will help me and you communicate easily and to reduce the noise that we had in the chat group. So, without wasting much time, we're going to jump into the analysis. So all I want you to do is subscribe to the channel and share this video as much as possible. So as you all know, I only trade GBPUSD. There is things like the DXY to analyze it, yeah, but I only trade GBPUSD, and this is our daily time frame. So what does our daily time frame show? Our daily time frame shows a solid uptrend. If I'm to zoom out, a solid uptrend that has been broken, that was broken last week on Friday or Thursday to give us a start or a continuation of a downtrend that had already started from up here. So where do we expect GBPUSD to reach? From this swing high, if you pull up a fib, from this swing low to this swing high, we may anticipate that it can come back to the 61.8, right? But we don't trade like that. We trade what the market shows us, not what we think, because we are not market makers. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to determine my main trend. Then we shall drop to the 15-minute for entries. So this is the 4-hour time frame, nothing fancy. But I want to explain to you guys that last week when this trend line was broken, we had a retest or a pullback to where that week had began from. And we had an engulfing at the beginning of this week. Then a breakout of the 4-hour time frame of the 4-hour candle that shows that there are still momentum of, or there are still, the sellers were still aggressive to push the market lower, meaning GBPUS, meaning the dollar was gaining strength. So 1-hour time frame is what I use for the main trend, nothing fancy, and the 15-minute time frame is what I use for entries. Yeah, so let me show you guys a pattern that me and the mentorship guys discovered. Now, let me just delete them and re-put them back. So this is the pattern we found out on Wednesday during our live. And we anticipated market movements using the double tops. Now, even though there are few pips compared to the cells, but as long as you can profit from it, you can use a small market movement to get a bigger gain. So this is the pattern I'm talking about. Now, if you've seen it before me, you can drop something in the chat box until I noticed that pattern too. That would make us get a spot and help us as traders. You get, yeah. So if you notice it, just drop something in the comment section that shows that yeah, we're moving at the same time, same level, and we really saw this pattern together, even though you're not in the mentorship. Yeah. So what did we see? We saw that GBPUSD was leaving behind a weak, something like a low and a high, then forming a W pattern. That was similar here before buying. That was similar here and also similar here. Look at this week. Look at this week. Look at this week, then W, but this didn't happen because it was an Asian session. Yeah. Then we have this one. The week is here, then the buy comes in. Then we have this one that happened on Friday. The week is here. Or the low, then a buy. So this one is higher, but it's there, then the buy. So there's another one. It would leave behind a specific type of candles after the buy is exhausting. Look at this. Look at this. Up here, the same area here. Look at the same area here. Yeah. This one didn't really happen that much, but it's also around here. And also, oh, it's this one. And we also have one here. It did happen, but we have one here. Right? I don't know if it happened around here. Oh, we have this same one here. Though we have a continuation to the upside. And we have one here. So the buy is ending. The buy is kind of ending. The buy. So that's how GBPUSD, that's how we get the edge, that's how we get consistency. When we are able to repeat the same thing over and over again. We spot a pattern, yes, it's repeated. Next time we see it, we're going to go crazy with it. Yeah, so what other setups did Emma see? Or did mentorship sake. So this was my first week. I think I deleted wow, I think I deleted it. Let me try to remember well. This was our first setup we sold from here, right? Wednesday. So my first bias was to buy from this area, but when we saw huge momentum candles coming in, we stay out from huge momentum candles because they can take you out in a second. So when this candle closed bearish, that like our bias has changed, right? So waited for a pullback to this support that was broken, support and resistance, and retest of a trend line and the low of the week. Then we sold this pair. So our take profit was down here. So we have a bias. So when we see 3 week rejections, we jump out of that market. We just jump out. So this would be another entry at the retest of this low. So guys would profit from it, those who had missed the earlier entry. So market goes into Asian range, and what does it do in the morning? I draw a trend line, and all my bias was fastest sell from this area. Then so that is a retest of that of no, it's just a pullback to a trend line, the psychological level of a sell. But when we had the breakout, we are now looking for buys. So all we have to do is wait for a retest, then buy the market. And give us a W pattern. Now we're going to see where this has repeated itself also. Now this repeats itself around the if you draw a trend line 0.8. Now some posted trend lines are for kids, but as long as it can help you or work for you. So this is our point B. So when it was broken, it did the same. Went up, came back and gave us that W pattern for the buy. Then I didn't take the buy because I kind of woke up late and missed it. And I didn't have the courage to trade on the Friday, so I let it go. So I sent this to mentorship in the Asian session. I was looking for buys, but it's huge momentum candles. It was too much. So I didn't trade, but this would be a nice opportunity for you at the retest of that broken trend line. So you'd sell this market. Yeah. So those are the trades I took for last week, and allow me end here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join our Telegram chat group or the channel that we are going to create. You'll find it the Telegram chat group or in the description below. And you can also follow me on Telegram on Instagram at Tales of Emma. Tales of Emma, guys. So allow me end here. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have anything to discuss with me, you can drop it in the chat in the comment section, or you can come to Telegram. Let's talk. So have a good trading week next week, and I wish you the best. Thank you for being here.